Look at the following rectangle. Triangle EAG is congruent to triangle FCH. Find the perimeter of rectangle EFCD. Let's find the perimeter of rectangle EFCD. Remember, congruent triangles have equal sides. Now let's plug in the values from our data into the formula. Side AB is equal to AG plus GB. Next, use these values to find the length of side AB. This is the length of side AB. Remember, opposite sides in a rectangle are equal. For DH, subtract segment HC from DC. And here's the length of DH. These are your equal sides. To find FC, use the Pythagorean theorem on triangle FHC. Insert the known values and solve for FC. Isolate FC in your equation. And this is the value of segment FC. Opposite sides are equal here too. The rectangle's perimeter is the sum of all its sides. Put the values into the formula and find the perimeter. Great job! This is your solution.